All right, hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday morning. Just wanted to record a couple pre-calc videos. This is problem 11 from the homework that is due. It tells us we have a function y equals ax squared plus 8 over x squared plus b. It tells us we have a vertical asymptote at x equals 4, and we have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 5. I'm not sure why this isn't so clear. Let me try to fix it here. Okay. So there we are. A vertical asymptote, and it asks us to find a and b. Vertical asymptote is where the denominator equals 0. So that means we know that x squared plus b equals 0 when x is 4. Right? So when x is 4, downstairs has to be 0. That's what we mean by a vertical asymptote. So 4 squared plus b equals 0. 16 plus b equals 0. b equals negative 16. Now what about a? Well, horizontal asymptote is the limit as x goes to infinity. That's what we mean by horizontal asymptote. So let's do limit as x goes to infinity of ax squared plus 8 divided by x squared. B is really just 16 now. Every time you have limit to infinity, we always divide by the biggest exponent on the bottom. So divide by x squared, divide by x squared, divide by x squared, divide by x squared. What do we get? We get limit as x goes to infinity of ax squared over x squared plus 8 over x squared over x squared minus 16 over x squared. Let's see what this simplifies to. This is limit as x goes to infinity of a plus 8 over x squared over 1 minus 16 over x squared. So when I plug in infinity, 8 divided by infinity is 0. 16 divided by infinity is 0. So this is really just limit as limit. This is really just, I plug in infinity here, 0, 0. So this is really a over 1. Because this is 0 and this is 0. And that has to equal 5. Because that was the horizontal asymptote. A over 1 equals 5. Therefore, a must be 5. So a is 5. And b is negative 16. And that is answer choice E. Alright, hope this video was helpful. Let me actually do another problem here. Let me do another one on the homework that is similar. So let me do number 14 now. (14) says we have y equals ax plus b over x plus c. It says we have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 2 and a vertical asymptote at x equals negative 3. So again, vertical asymptote, as we just said, downstairs equals 0. So when x is negative 3, the bottom equals 0. So c equals 3. Horizontal asymptote, limit as x goes to infinity, ax plus b over x plus c, the same as limit as x goes to infinity of ax over x plus b over x over x plus c over x, same as limit as x goes to infinity of a plus b over x over 1 plus c over x. Plug in infinity to both now. This is just a over 1, b over infinity is 0, c over infinity is 0. A over 1 equals negative 3. Excuse me, not negative 3 equals 2, because that's where the horizontal asymptote is. So a must be 2. C is 3, a is 2. What are they asking me to do? They want to find a plus c, so that is E, 5. Hope these videos are helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions.